Hello everyone, how are you today? Good? Yeah, you must feel good, right? Because today we will learn something new that have relation with our culture. Jadi pembelajaran hari ini berkaitan dengan budaya kita, yaitu budaya dari Indonesia. Oke. Sebelumnya saya ingin tanya, apakah adik-adik suka membaca cerita? Contohnya seperti cerita rakyat deh yang ada di Indonesia kan, karena hari ini pembelajaran kita tentang budaya kita, oke? Belum ya? Bagaimana kalau saya tunjukkan gambar ini? Oke, apakah dia sudah pernah membaca cerita ini? Tahu cerita ini? Ya, jadi untuk gambar pertama ceritanya mengenai Snow White. Karakter utamanya siapa? Snow White. Di dalamnya ada siapa saja? Oke, ada dwarf, evil queen, and prince. Bagaimana ceritanya berakhir? Snow White menikah dengan prince-nya. Kalau Cinderella, ya seperti kita sudah tahu tentang seorang putri yang menemukan cintanya dengan pangeran, tapi pada saat dia kabur sepatu kacanya terlepas. Oke? Nah, jadi so far di sini pembelajaran kita akan mengenai suatu teks. Tapi sebelumnya saya ingin tanya, dari yang sudah saya tanyakan tentang teks ini kan ada tokoh, ada alur cerita. Nah, ada yang tahu apa itu naratif teks? Karena pembelajaran kita hari ini tentang naratif teks. Yeah, good. So far, narrative text itu adalah text that present a story with the characters, a setting, a problem, and a solution. It can be based on real or imaginary events. Jadi, cerita-cerita yang tadi itu hanya imaginary event, hanya cerita hayalan lah bisa dibilang. Oke. Untuk strukturnya ada orientation, yaitu pembuka, pengenalan karakter, setting dari cerita tersebut. Untuk complication itu biasanya ada itu tentang puncak masalah. So it's about a problem that happened in the story, a problem, conflict, or challenge faced by the characters. And resolution, it's about how the problem is solved, and also reorientation. So basically reorientation is just like additional, so it's optional in the structure. Oke, next saya mau adik-adik menonton sebuah video, tapi sebelumnya di sini ada 5 question yang akan harus dijawab. Yang pertama ada who are the main characters in the story, what did the story happen, what problem happened in the story, how did Chandra Kirana free, and also how did the story end. Okay, let's watch the video together.
Golden Snail. Story is that envy and jealousy only lead to destruction.
Once upon a time, there was a king who had two beautiful daughters, Dewi Galuh and Chandra Kirana. The younger daughter, Chandra Kirana, was known for her cuteness and beauty, while Dewi Galuh was envious and ambitious. One day, a handsome prince from a neighboring kingdom came to propose to Chandra Kirana. Dewi Galuh felt jealous and envious of her sister, so she planned to get rid of Chandra Kirana. Blinded by jealousy, Dewi Galuh went to the dwelling of an evil witch and asked for her help to turn Chandra Kirana into something disgusting and horrifying so that the prince would avoid her. The witch cursed Chandra Kirana into a golden snail and threw her into the river. There, a kind-hearted old woman was fishing with a net in the river. Unknowing, the golden snail got caught in the woman's net, and she took it home. Every time the old woman left the house, the golden snail transformed back into Chandra Kirana and did the household chores for the old woman. The old woman was surprised to find her house always clean and meals prepared, but she never discovered the source of the magic. One day, the prince who was searching for Chandra Kirana found the old woman's house. The old woman told the prince about the magical golden snail. When the old woman showed the golden snail to the prince, he recognized it as his beloved Chandra Kirana.
He gently touched the golden snail, breaking the curse and transforming Chandra Kirana back into her human form. They eventually got married and lived happily ever after, while Dewi Galuh received her deserved punishment.
Today, let's answer the question. Okay, The first question, who are the main character in the story? Yes, Chandra Kirana. Where did the story happen? In the kingdom. What problem happened in the story? So Dewi Galuh was jealous of Chandra Kirana and asked an evil witch to turn her into a golden snail. How did Chandra Kirana free? The prince broke the witch curse by touching the golden snail and Chandra Kirana became human again. How did the story end? Chandra Kirana married the prince and they live happily ever after. So that's all about our video, and then sir has a game for us today. The game called narrative text. So okay, let me set the game for all of you. Okay, which one that you like? Because this is about Sura and Baya, so sir will choose Fishing Frenzy for our games today. Okay, good. And then you just need to scan a barcode in here, or you can enter the code in here. Okay. First of all, use barcode, right? Barcode. And then you can open in browser. Okay, just wait until you can playing it. Okay. After that, don't forget to write your full name in here. Okay, so full name, then just click this one. The loading. After that, in my screen as a teacher, I can see that you already entered the game. Also, you can change what kind of avatar that you want for this. Okay, you can change your avatar. And then sir will use start. After as a teacher, sir sudah menekan start. Langsung kalian siap untuk main. Sebelumnya menunggu. Oh wait, the screen is. Okay. Just wait for the instruction. The instruction will in the screen. After that, you can play it, and also sir can know poin sementara kamu berapa. Okay? That's it. Okay, answer the question. What was the agreement deal made by Sura and Baya to protect the Okay, I will answer, and then it's correct. Kalau misalnya correct, congrats, you get peace, and then your point akan ditunjukkan di layarnya sir bahwa kamu sudah menang satu. Okay, something like this. We move to the next question. Hook lagi, tekan lagi, jawab pertanyaan dulu. Work in group for this assignment or for this test. So therefore, okay. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you.